Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Good day, folks. A good day. Yes. Rock and roll. Buff away. Okay guys, I'm just about to reverse the boat into the harbour. So I'm going to take a forward turn and do a hard right on my steering wheel to make the trailer go left down the bank, nice and slowly. Don't worry about getting it wrong, because it's all about practice. It's like anything really. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Okay, so I'm going hard right and taking the trailer down the ramp. As I say, don't worry about it. It is quite daunting to begin with, but just go nice and steady Eddie. Hard right again to force the trailer around. Okay, and then when I'm got it down to towards the centre of the ramp, I'll straighten the old girl up, which is what I'm going to do now, just to make sure she's central. Okay, so now my steering is literally straight. I'm going to actually just go hard right on the steering wheel for a minute, just to bring the trailer down. Now I'm going hard left, okay, which will straighten the trailer up. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, you are just going to love next videos that follow this. You're just going to love them. Alright, rock and roll. And I take the wheels down. You have to be very careful. Have a friend with you. I'm just going down now and putting the water, the boat in the water, and going straight, and then my friend will tell me how far to go with the wheels. Yep, that's it guys. Rock and roll. Sorted. And she can get warmed up while we lower the hoist in. That's it, that's the baby going. you ready, soldier?
I'm ready.
Right, reverse, mate. Put your engine down a bit more. That's it. It's a very quiet engine. It's a lovely engine, that is, for Johnson. Reverse, mate. That's it. Away you go, soldier. Sorted, guys. Good morning, my beauty. How are you?
Fine.
Yes. You okay, love?
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. There we are. So now we're just going to pull the trailer out, and job's a good one. All right. Hope you enjoyed that, fellas. And there's Sean having a play. He's going to moor it up now. He's got a nice little spot. He's going to have a little play. Just to charge the engine up, probably. It's probably a good idea, just to give it a little run out. There we are. Rock and roll. Oh guys, how easy was that? Hey, I've got the trailer on the back of the car, and now I'm going to just park it up in a field. Yep, so nothing to worry about, guys. You just practice, that's all. You just have to get used to your rights, to your left, to your rights, to your left, and so on. But it is actually fun. I love it, all I do. Everything about boating is awesome, whether there's a problem or not. It's fun all the way. So any new boaters out there, I hope this has been a big help to you. Like I say, nothing to worry about, guys. Just enjoy it all. And it's all about practice and learning, and you never stop learning, as you know, in whatever you do. And boating is such fun. It really is. And I think I even said, in fact I know I said on one of my previous videos way back when, it's as much fun out of the water as what it is in the water. So guys, I'm just going to give you a little demo. Now you can see the trailer there in my wing mirror. Yeah. So what I'm going to do to make it go where I want it to, okay, in this field, I'm going to swing the wheel all the way to the left, which will make the trailer go right. Okay, so it's the opposite way round. So make the trailer go right, you turn the wheel to the left. To make it go left, you turn the wheel to the right. Okay, so let me show you this. Hopefully this will be, I'll be able to catch this on camera for you. I'm straight now. The car is straight, following the sea. All right, there's the trailer. You see the trailer there? So when I turn the wheel to the left, okay, put it in reverse first. When I turn the wheel to the left, that will make the trailer go right. Let me just show you. So all the way to the left. Okay, that's as far as it will go. And now the trailers, you see the trailer there, is going where I want it to go. All right. So now I'm going to straighten up again and show you the other way. So now the trailer's straight with the car. Okay, so this time I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the right. So let me put it in reverse again. Okay, so now I'm turning the wheel all the way to the right. There's the trailer, and you'll see that the trailer is going to the left. Okay, now I'm going to bring her straight again. There she is. Okay, you got that? Yeah. Now I'm going to do it again and turn the wheel all the way to the left, which will make the trailer go right. Let me show you. All good stuff, guys. All good stuff. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, so now the trailer is straight. The wheel's all the way to the left, and you'll notice that the trailer is now going to turn to the right. I'll give you it from that angle as well. So now, okay. Alright, so there we go, guys, there we go. Hope that's been of help to you. Okay guys, here we are. Right, so I'm just going to loosen the jockey wheel so the shaft falls down. Okay, so that's that now. Tighten that one up, and I always give it a bit of a push with my foot. There we are. Chain there to secure it onto the tow bar should this ever come off. So then what we do, we drop this down. So wind that down, which will raise the trailer on the tow bar, which will make it easy to get off the ball joint. There we go. Okay, here we go. There we are. There's the chain to secure it. Always good to have a secondary chain. And there we are, guys. Alright. Hope that's been of help to you. There we are. All sorted. Rock and roll. We'll see you next time. Alright. Enjoy your boating. See you soon. Bye bye for now.